Hello, my good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. You see, my correct people, see what is happening again in Ooni's palace. You see, this jealousy uh, on Naomi is much. Hmm. You see, Ole TikTok now is jealousy Naomi. Why? Because she heard that the Queen Naomi's pregnancy, she's carrying twins in her womb. Now she's saying that that pregnancy of Naomi will be second to her own because she first delivered twins before Naomi. Now that Naomi have not delivered her twins, but she herself have delivered her own twins. But Kabiyesi is saying he's not the owner of the children, of the twins. But now she's now jealous that uh, Naomi now is being recognized as the first woman that will bear uh, twins for Ooni of Ife. Now she's saying that why would Kabiyesi recognize that of Naomi when he did not recognize her own? You see, this is what we are saying, that these are jealous. Now she's annoyed, fighting with Kabiyesi, that Kabiyesi should recognize her twins as the real children of the Ooni. But the Ooni said, before I can recognize them as my children, let's go to the shrine. The shrine, then if you go to the shrine then will tell us if really I'm the owner of the children. Even Kabiyesi went to the shrine to do some sacrifice. When he was going, he called the only TikTok that she should follow him to the shrine so that the gods there will confirm if the twins that Tobi uh, had for said he had for Kabiyesi belongs to Kabiyesi, but she refused to follow Kabiyesi. Now she's claiming that her twins will be the first in the palace. But Kabiyesi said, you were told to go and bring DNA, but you refused. Okay, come to the shrine for the gods to know, confirm if I'm the owner, if the king, if the children belongs to me. But you refused. Now you are jealous. He said, I don't know why all these women are like this. You see, what you are not sure of, so you want to force it on a Kabiyesi. Because of what? Now you are saying Kabiyesi loves Naomi more than you people. Yes. Why won't Kabiyesi love Naomi more than you people? It is your character. See, Tadenikawo is a true son of the Kabiyesi. But you, these women, you are just formulating, manipulating lies. Now you are not sure of your twins that I am the owner. Now say, okay, let's go to the shrine to confirm. When I was going, I said, let's go, but you did not. You said you are not going. That means you are not sure that if I'm the owner of the twins, but see that of Naomi, yes, is yet unborn but she will soon deliver safely. Because you people, you have tried many ways that you want to have so that the pregnancy of that Naomi will be aborted. But no, she cannot miscarry because the gods are with her. Because of her character. That is why the gods have ordained both Naomi and Kabiyesi from heaven. So all this your wahala you are making, planning evil, planning an attack here and there so that the pregnancy will will be terminated. But God said, no, you are just wasting your time with all this your evil acts. So, Ole TikTok. So you are just wasting your time. Now, you don't want Kabiyesi to recognize your twins as the first twins in the family. But it has not been confirmed if Kabiyesi is the owner. Now you are running to go, you are running that you don't want to go to the shrine to determine, to confirm if really the blood is mine. Now you are saying that your twins will be the first in the palace, which cannot be unless if the gods confirm it and the DNA need confirm it too that yes, Kabiyesi the Ooni is the owner before anything can be done. My brother and sister, this is what we are saying. Allegedly, that is what we heard from internet and social media. You see, all these Oloris in the palace, Ooni's palace. You see, there are problem, wahala here and there, jealousy, envy, just for nothing. What God has ordained, nobody can change it. They are just planning evil, planning wahala, so that the pregnancy of Queen Naomi will be aborted. But God says, no, you are just wasting your time. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. And we told them that they should stop all this their evil acts, evil plan that we boomerang on them at any time. But they refuse to obey. Even the gods have warned them severally that they should desist from planning any evil against Naomi because it will bounce on their head. But still, they don't want to desist from all these their evil acts. But as they are planning evil against Naomi, so Naomi is progressing. Now Naomi is bouncing upon all their evil plan. And if anything should happen to them, they will run to Naomi for prayer. And that one too, will not hesitate to pray for them. And God always hear her prayer. Now, still, you people are planning evil against her, of which will not work. Whatever any person plan against Naomi, back to sender. That is how it's supposed to be. Because the girl hasn't got any time for anyone. But they say Queen Naomi is doing juju so that Kabiyesi will love her. But no, Naomi hasn't got the time for that. She's a woman of God, a prophetess. What will she be doing with a juju again? No, because they themselves, they are juju people, juju women. They are mamalawos. So that is why they think what they do and that person is doing it. My brother and sister, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on all these issues. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. Thanks and God bless. Amen.